right, this one's is for your Vegematic friends. You gotta check it out. They can eat this one if they eat fish. All right, this here is a salmon tail, right? Now, some of you salmon heads are going, a tail? You're using a tail? Yes, the tail is perfect for making burgers, for grinding and chopping, right? So, you don't have to be too careful with this. After all, we're not making fillets. We're going to be chopping this up, so don't worry about making this look real pretty. Just get that meat. Oh, man. Looks good enough to eat already, all right? Now, if you've never had a salmon burger deluxe Pit Boys style, you got to check this out. This is some real good eating at the pit. All right. So, Pitmaster here is chopping up the salmon, as you can see. And he wants to leave some of it a bit chunky, right? You don't want to mash it, right? You don't want to slurry. You want to chop it, some of it real fine, and some of it chunks that you can bite into when you eat, right? All right, perfect. Simple enough. Just use your fancy hand chopulator here. Oh, see that grind right there is perfect. That's what you're looking for, right? Oh, man. I guess we like to chopping, so we just chop away. Now, we've got some parsley. We want to chop that up, fresh from the garden. Throw that in there. Whew. In goes some shallots, some nice diced shallots. Here we've got some panko, or you can use some breadcrumb. Add a little starch to this mix, keep it together. We're going to add some sweet, about a tablespoon of honey. Now, you can head on over to our website to get the exact ingredients, so don't worry, right? Now, we want some lemon juice in here, so squeeze a lemon. And do it in slow-mo if you want to. Perfect. Yeah. See, I told you. The Vegematics are going to eat this up. Now, this is very important. We got some wasabi paste. We need the wasabi paste. If you don't have wasabi, just use your favorite hot horseradish. You can't skip on this ingredient in this recipe. This is what you need to make this right. Now, we have some SPG, and in the SPG, we've got a little bit of fennel, so that goes really well with the salmon. Oh, man. Now, use your hands, give it a good mix, bring it all together. Make a patty, make 3 in this case. Oh, look at that texture. Just perfect. Only if all those McDougal burger joints out there could make a salmon burger like this. It'd be a hit. All right, now, we've got a medium warm skillet here. You don't want to get any hotter than medium warm. You want it to cook slowly. It keeps everything together, keeps it moist and tender. So take your time. We've got this set up opposite the hot coals, indirect. So we're doing a slow cook. And in no time at all, you give them a flip. You can see they're bleeding out some albumin. You know what that is, right? Oh, it looks cute. Perfect. All right. Take a look at that. Coming right along. Now we're going to go direct to the grill, right? And this will get the texture you want. Add a little crispiness to this, right, when you bite into it. And while we're doing that, let's freshen up these rolls. Oh, man, we're doing salmon burgers, baby. And in the miracle of time, we've toasted the buns. The salmon burgers are ready. Salmon Burger Deluxe is ready. Oh. So you can set these up the way you want. Just eat them just like that, right? Or here we've got a little bit of butter. We got some fresh mozzarella with lettuce, tomato. We've got some basil leaves there. Oh, turn your head the other way if these veggies are killing you. Here we've got some cucumbers, some nice thin sliced red onions. Lord have mercy, right? How about some mayonnaise and pickles? Again, this is Pitmaster Privilege. Set this up the way you want. No matter how you do it, will be a hit at your pit, guaranteed. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.